Are you ready? Ctrl T, intelligent table naming. Oh my God, it's finally here. Tables debuted on January 30th, 2007, and it's now June 27, 2026. That's 19 years, 4 months, 28 days. Or I think every freaking day, one of the MVPs said, why can't you ask for a table name when we press Ctrl T? Check out this amazing thing. Now, this is a teaser video. Tomorrow, I'm going to show these new Excel skills. So right down here, by the way, in case you have managed skills grayed out. So frustrating. I figured it out, though. And I have a skill called Smart Table. Name this table. All right, press Enter. This is running a custom skill that I created. We'll show it here at the end of this video. It's going to take a look at this data, and Copilot's going to try and figure out a name for the table. Look at that, transactions. So much better than Table 1. Let's try it again. Smart Table, name this table. Looks like this is products, right? Yep. Naming the products table. Products, oh my God, so much better. You know, I'm gonna give credit to Ken Puls for this. Ken, I think, was being a relative smart aleck a few days ago when he said, what if you made Copilot give us the table name? And because, of course, Microsoft loves investing in Copilot. Would that cause you to do it? And when skills came out yesterday and I got it to work today, I'm like, well, this would be a hilarious, look at that table name as customers. Okay, now look, skills can do so much more than this silly little thing, but it's Saturday and I really want to do a good video tomorrow. I just want to put a teaser out there tonight. Look at that, sales_reps. I could have changed the skill to force them to always start with TBL if that's the way that you name your tables. But right now the skill is just saying to find the best one-word table and calendar. Look at that. All right, now I'm going to give away a little bit. For those of you who are following the Microsoft instructions and you're super frustrated that you are grayed out of managed skills, here's what I found. You're going to come to your OneDrive, go to your documents, create a folder called Cowork, and then a folder called Skills. Now, they're supposed to create this for you, but unfortunately, that's just not the way it's going, right? And then what we know from the documentation is that each skill has to have a folder that exactly matches the table name. No uppercase characters, by the way. I love how specific they are in the instructions here. And then inside of that, we need skill.md, which you're going to create. MD is marked down, by the way, which you're going to create in Notepad or Notepad+, right? Every single skill starts with these 3 dashes. This is the meta description at the top. It has a name and a description and then 3 dashes. And then this is markdown code here. And, right, it is super simple. Now, look, skills can be far more impressive than this, but for right now, this is my, like, hello world skill. And I just love that we finally, after 19 years, have a smarter way to create table names instead of just Table 1, Table 2, Table 3. And again, thanks to Ken for his great idea that maybe by using Copilot, this would force them or encourage them to do this. Well, hey, stop back tomorrow for a deeper dive into skills. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.